Good morning, students. Today we will be studying chapter number 13, and this is basically a poem that is The Singing Engine. Again, we can see the written over here. The is basically used to describe the particular thing. Engine, as we all know, it's a common noun, and again, the is present to describe that we are talking about the engine that is singing. That tells the quality of this engine. That is why singing is written over here, and this singing is an egg. So let's read this story. A train is a railway caravan with multiple bogies that is moved by a locomotive engine. See, what is a train? Train is basically a railway caravan. Caravan is basically, you can say it's a kind of a vehicle, it's a kind of an engine where multiple parts are joined together to move forward. That actually gives a push to move forward, and with multiple bogies. Bogies actually are the compartments, and that is moved by a locomotive engine. Anything that is moving is known as locomotive engine. Engine is present at the very beginning of the vehicle that carries many passengers, mail, and cargo from one place to another. See, basically, that carries passengers means sometimes we used to travel from one place to another, right? Sometimes mails. Over here, mails is actually the letters that are transferred from one state to another. Sometimes it is actually transferred from one country to another. And cargoes are the materials, that is the raw materials, the goods and services that are transferred from one state to another, that is from one place to another. As another is used over here, not other. Why? Because it goes from one state to another state. It is not in the same state, it goes into another state. Here the poetess depicts the train as a human who fears climbing on a hill. Over here the poetess, that is the female version of poet, depicts. Depict means to describe. किसी चीज को क्या करना है हमें? Depict means to describe, to explain. The train as a human. Train को it is depicting the human being as a train who fears climbing on a hill, and the human actually it fears on climbing on the hill because hills are present at a very good height. But through determination to achieve something in life, you only need to put a courageous effort. The poetess is saying that if we want to achieve the success, and for that we need to be determined towards our goal. Actually, we need to be continuously perseverant. Continuously, we are hardworking for our goal, and for that we need to put some courageous effort. Course we all have to put an effort to reach our goal. As we all know, in our studies also we have to do continuous hard work in order to achieve our goal. So that how a human being fears on climbing a hill, we will be reciting in this beautiful poem, and I hope you all will be liking it. When you travel on the railway and the line goes up a hill, जब आप travel करते हैं इस रेल पे और जब ये hills के ऊपर जाती है, just listen, just listen to the engine as it pulls you with a will. हम सिर्फ और सिर्फ किसकी सुनते हैं? उस इंजन की, जो हमें जैसे जैसे करके हमें लेके चलता है. सी, दिस इज द इंजन. हम इस इंजन के पीछे ही तो हैं, तो ये ही तो हमें अपना रास्ता दिखाता है और अपनी मर्जी से हमें आगे लेता हुआ चलता है. थ्रू इट गोज वेरी स्लोली, धीरे धीरे चलता है. इट सिंग्स लिटिल सॉन्ग, आई थिंक आई कैन, मेरे को लगता है कि यस आई कैन डू इट. एंड सो इट गोज अलोंग, और वो साथ साथ चलता चलता है, चलता रहता है. But later on the journey, when you are going down the hill, the train requires no pulling. जब ट्रेन किसी रास्ते में नीचे की साइड जाती है तो उसको कुछ पुल करने की जरूरत नहीं है, वो ऑटोमेटिकली जाती है. एंड येट इंजन सिंगिंग स्टिल, और फिर भी इंजन इज द वन हु guides us to go from one path to another. And if you listen very quietly, you will hear this little song. और अगर हम इस चीज को बहुत ही ज्यादा क्वाइटली, कामली, शांत से सुनेंगे, we will hear this little song. Over here, this little song is not the song the poetess is telling. The poetess, she is trying to tell the sound of the engine which takes us from one place to another. I thought I could, and so it speeds along. और speeds के साथ साथ हमें क्या करती है? अपने रास्ते को, हमारे को जिस रास्ते पे पहुंचना होता है उस रास्ते पे पहुंचाती है. So this poem is basically very beautifully displayed on the screen by the poetess Christine Weatherly. She is trying to explain, trying to give a beautiful example of human beings with the train. Like human beings, we are fear to move up, because going up in our career, it requires a lot of courage, lot of effort that we have to do. Similarly, for a train, it's very important that we have to listen to the engine's will to move from one place to another. So from this poem we studied that we should listen to our parents, we should go according to our parents, we should obey them, and we should know that we should be continuous with our efforts, we should be courageous towards our goals, and we should remain disciplined. You just recite this poem at your place, and please keep studying, keep enjoying, stay hydrated. Thank you.